Day in the life of me. Ceiling. Hello. Today I'm gonna be doing a day in the life. Yep. Don't know why. Just felt like it. But first part of the vlog, or day in the life, whatever you want to call it. Gotta go find Tigger. Tigger. Hi, Tigger. How you doing? Why you eat my hair, weirdo? Yeah, there's Tigger, my kitten. He used to be a kitten. His butt from the camera. This is so big. He's like, he's slipping from everywhere. Nah, baby, nah, baby. You talk about yeah, thank you for getting away from the camera. I'm going to break it. My brand new camera. Brand new. Crazy punk. What do you think you're doing? Oh! Out of my foot! How could you do this to me, Tigger? Look, he can walk on two legs. Da ba da 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 da. Na 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 na. He can walk on his hands. What are you doing? Nothing is going to come on. Ugh. He loves me, and I love him. That's why I trap him and try and keep him forever. Prisoner, so I can cuddle with him. Oh, he's so cute. Okay. He's kind of boring after a while. Can't really do too much with him. That's why I like dogs. Dogs are so much better. He can do stuff with them, and it's so much more fun. And cuddly. They're like companions. But those things, I guess you call companions. All they do is they sit there and do nothing. They do nothing. But dogs, they can do stuff with you. Now, is that little bugger of a cat hiding in there? No, where is he? We're going on a hunt. Flower! Oh, there you go. Hidden away in the sun. Give him up. Flower. Right up here. Come on, yeah. Oh, yes. Yes, look at the majestic animal in his wild habitat. Oh, God. Wow, he almost bit me. Yeah, sometimes he's a biter. Most of the time, he's just a big old lovin'. Big old ball of loves. See, look at him. He's so nice. He's so cute. He's 13, gonna be 14 soon. So, yeah. Whoa, stop it! Sorry, he just knocked the camera. Going on a trip and a feather rocket zip zooming through the skies. Little sunshines, climb aboard, get ready to explore. It's a mighty fine world out there. Ooh, on Xbox One. Until now. What's now? Sponsored. Get Metro last night. Get Doctor Who on sale. Recent, my pins, card, and that thing. Goats. Goat Simulator. I just had a sleepover last night, so my friend just trashed the place and just left. So I have to pick up all his bottles and God only knows what all that stuff is. More of his trash and more. I have this controller here. A few bottles. He's so stuffy. Look at it, do that to me. Oh. Sorry, I dropped the tablet, as always. Gotta delete some apps.